Take Profit Trader is known for the #1 payout policy in the prop firm space. Well, in today's video, I'm going to share with you guys everything you need to know about Take Profit Trader's payout policy. Now, when you want to see a prop firm do something right, Take Profit Trader is in the middle of raising prices on their reset accounts. And something Take Profit Trader has done is they have very well communicated it with the community well in advance. Even when you go to the website and look at all the different account sizes, you can see right up here, it says new test reset prices go into effect live Saturday, May 16th. Now, in the past, Take Profit Trader had one single reset fee regardless of the account size, and that all is going to change this weekend. And in case you guys didn't notice, right now, Take Profit Trader is 50% off all their evaluation accounts and zero activation fee. If you guys want to take advantage of that offer, use the link in the description box down below, use promo code Mike. And if we go to propfirmmike.com, remember, we can always sort by the prop firm and the prop firm challenges. And if we look at Take Profit Trader real quick, and when we select the 50K account, I double click on true cost, we can see that Take Profit Trader is now very well positioned in the 50K account size. However, as we're talking about payouts, let's talk about the rules and actually which account could be the quickest path to actually getting a payout. Well, if we scroll down here real quick, this will give us a general rules with Take Profit Trader. Now, in the test phase, this is going to be where we prove that we can actually pass the requirements and then get moved into a sim funded account. Right up here, you'll see a pro and a pro plus account. Both of these accounts are accounts where when the trader is able to make money and get over a certain threshold, which we'll talk about here in a moment, they can then receive a portion of the payouts. You can see right here on the pro account, the trader gets to keep 80%. Take Profit Trader gets to keep the other 20%. But if and when you get moved to the pro plus account, the trader then gets to keep 90% and Take Profit Trader only gets 10%. Now, when you go over and look at withdrawals, and this is something that separates Take Profit Trader from a lot of other prop firms, and it gets better than just day one payouts. You can see in the pro and pro plus account, we can both get daily payouts, which means that on day number one, when you're in a pro or pro plus account, you have the ability to be able to get to a payout. Now, do I suggest that you swing for the fence and try to knock it on the park on day one? Probably not. You will probably blow up the account. Now, let's talk about what is needed in order to be able to request on day number one, because as I go through this list, you're going to say, Mike, this is way too good. There's got to be a catch. Well, in order to be able to request a payout, then one of the requirements we're going to have to make is we got to get over the buffer requirement. Now, what is the buffer requirement? Well, it basically is whatever the drawdown amount is. So if we scroll up here and we look at these different account sizes for the 50K account, which is one of the most popular account sizes, we can see that the drawdown is $2,000. So that means that once we are moved into a pro account, we got to make at least $2,000. Anything above and beyond that $2,000 price point would then be eligible for a payout. Now, something you want to consider when you actually go look at the different accounts and say, all right, which one do I want? Do I want a 150K account because I'm going to get a lot more drawdown, which is going to be $4,500? Well, something we want to think about as a trader, because if we were trading these markets, we're trading them to try to earn some money. So in this example, we'd have to make $9,000 in order to pass this test phase to then get moved over into the pro account. Now, once you're in the pro account, you have to make at least $4,500. And then anything above that can then be eligible for a payout. So let's think about this. If we pull out the handy dandy calculator real quick, before we can ever see any money, we'd have to make $9,000 to pass, another $4,500. So you'd have to make $13,500. And then anything above and beyond that price point, the trader is then eligible for a payout. $9,000 was just to pass the evaluation, then $4,500 in order to request a payout. Now, something else we want to think about real quick. If we go by here and say, all right, is there any restrictions on how much money we're actually able to withdraw in the account? For example, if I was able to make $10,000 on day number one in this pro account, would I be able to withdraw all of that $10,000? The answer would be yes and no. And the reason for that is, keep in mind, if we were to make $10,000, and we'll use the example of the 150K account size, we'd have to go $10,000 minus $4,500 for the buffer, which means only $5,500 would be eligible for a payout. But this is when account selection comes into play, because if we go, let's say, to the $50,000 account size, let's look at something real quick. Right there, our buffer would be $2,000. Our target's $3,000. So essentially, if we were to add $3,000 plus $2,000, once the trader has made over $5,000 total, $3,000 in the evaluation and over $2,000 in the pro account, they are then eligible for a payout, which is substantially lower than in the 150K account. But you know what's even better than that? If we go right over here to the $25,000 account size, notice this gives us a 1-to-1 profit to drawdown amount. We see in this account, we have to make $1,500 in order to pass with a drawdown of $1,500. But guess what? We make $1,500 to essentially pass this test phase, then get moved over into the pro account. And once we're in the pro account, anything over $1,500 that we then make is the trader's money. Now, so that means with a 25K account, we can start requesting payouts after only making $3,000. I say only because trading is very difficult. It is not going to be easy. But if we go over to propfirmmike.com, I want you guys to think about something. If you're thinking about the $25,000 account size, we want to look at something. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to select 25K right here. I'm just going to double click on true cost, make sure we have the cheapest plans up there. And at face value, we think my funded futures flex account would be the best deal at $49, which it is a great plan. But also, let's look at something real quick. If we look at the target, we can see that my funded futures, we have to make $1,500. Lucid, we only have to make $1,250. Tradeify, $1,500. Take Profit Trader, $1,500. Lucid again, $1,250. But when we look at the drawdown amount, and as traders, the drawdown is basically our lifeline. Well, my funded futures, you only get $1,000. Lucid, $1,000. Tradeify, $1,000. But with Take Profit Trader, we get an additional $500 from a lot of the other prop firms out there. So if you've ever wanted to try out a $25,000 account size, I do think that Take Profit Trader is the best option, as it gives us a 1-to-1 in terms of what we have to make versus how much we are allowed to risk. So if you guys do want to check out the website, don't forget to go to propfirmmike.com. And if you want to start trading today with Take Profit Trader, don't forget to use the link in the description box down below. And if you want to learn how to set up Take Profit Trader with TradingView, then you want to make sure to watch this next video right here.